fixing Blanky.
Okay, so what are y'all doing?
Fixing Blanky.
You fixing Blanky?
We're stitching up the holes.
Awesome. So let's check it out here.
Alright,
Very
we're
good.
hung up right now. It's got so many holes in it, it keeps hanging up on the sewing machine, so we have to take it apart and re-thread it. So we're getting there.
Very cool. All right, well, just watch your fingers, okay? I sewed my fingers together in home economics class one year in junior high. I was making a pillow with my letter M.
Yes.
Okay. First video of the night.
What else did you make? You made, oh, tell Mom what else you did.
What else you do, Molly?
Your collection.
I've been collecting quarters with states on the back, and I have 5 more to go until I have all the states.
50 states.
Very good. They got 45 states then.
She listed all the states, and then found the quarters, and then we are learning to play Scrabble. And grandmother beat her in a big game of Monopoly that lasted 4 hours.
Oh, ooh, that's a big game. That's a big game.
Yeah, she almost beat me, but I got her the last minute.
Good deal.
Yeah, and then we drove the cart twice. Driving twice. We just had a fun day.
All right, good deal.
Yeah.
All right, well.
Tomorrow's baking day. We got to make Josh's birthday cake. And
Oh.
Papa's birthday cake.
Ah, right.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Signing off for now. Bye.